Samsung is about to pull off something we have never seen before on a smartphone display. The upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is roughly 2.5 months away from the official announcement, and no, we're not gonna see the S26 Ultra on Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event, which is happening on the 21st October. It's for a different, very important product that we're gonna talk about later in the video. Plus Samsung's huge surprise that honestly no one saw it coming. So Galaxy S26 Ultra, it seems like it is indeed getting a very innovative feature that only Samsung can pull off. According to the screenshots coming from One UI 8.5 beta, Samsung is already showing off a privacy display feature which works exactly like a privacy screen protector. Basically, it hides the screen for other people looking from the side. We all have situations where we want to hide our screens from people on the sides, but at the same time, we don't want to use a privacy screen protector because that not only costs extra money, but it can often ruin the touch experience of your display. Having something like this built in could be a game changer. From what we can see right now, it seems like Galaxy S26 Ultra is likely going to pack this innovative feature. On top of that, Galaxy S26 Ultra's display will be special, and it's getting a feature 1 year in advance compared to the 20th anniversary iPhone. I'm talking about the COE technology. This means thinner, brighter, and power-efficient screen for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, way more than a traditional flagship smartphone display. It's first going to be used on the S26 Ultra, and it's very likely to be adopted by Apple for their 20th anniversary iPhone. So it seems like Samsung is not just increasing brightness for the sake of increasing brightness, but actually giving us innovative display features like privacy mode, anti-reflectiveness, and of course having that COE technology for better efficiency. Now this next Samsung decision might actually really piss you off depending on who you are. We'll talk about it right after this. The future is finally here. This is Opera Neon, the best agentic browser that actually does things for you. It's literally game-changing. Check this out. Find me the video of the original Galaxy S1 and skip to the exact part when the phone was revealed. As you can see, the Neon is doing all the work for me while I can literally chill. As you can see, I'm just walking around doing something else as it's doing its thing in the background. Not only it found the Galaxy S launch video, but also skipped to the exact part when the phone was about to get unveiled. This is actually insane. Truly the future of agentic browsing. I love how Neon enhances my browsing experience like never before. For example, I'm reading this article. What I'm gonna do is just click on this AI button on the right hand side and then quickly ask it to summarize this article for me. Not only that, I can ask Neon to find me similar articles as this so I can do better research. Find me similar articles. So as you can see, Neon has found me 4 different articles so I can do my research thoroughly. What's even crazier is that Neon can actually make games and apps for you. We also have Neon cards, aka built-in AI prompts. For example, I want to watch a movie, so I selected this prompt. I only mentioned the actor name and boom, it showed me everything that I needed to see and picked the right movie. The future of browsing is indeed here, and it starts with Opera Neon. What are you waiting for? Click my special link in the description to get the early access. The waitlist is now open. Check it out. Alrighty, so it seems like there is a possibility that we might see an orange Galaxy S26 Ultra. And yes, the timing looks pretty off because we just saw the cosmic orange on the iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max, which by the way looks really good. A lot of people are saying that Samsung is copying Apple, and it may seem like it, but if you actually do your research, Samsung has released orange flagship phones way before Apple. So are they really copying, or are they just bringing back the orange color from the past? I'll let you guys decide this one in the comments below, but just know it's not confirmed right now. There's no further information on the colors at the moment. But if Samsung makes this decision, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Now, Samsung is not done with the year 2025. They are releasing 2 very important products very soon. First up, on October 21st, we're gonna see Samsung Galaxy XR headset. This is the direct competitor to the Apple Vision Pro. It's definitely not gonna be as powerful as the Vision Pro, the one with the M5 chip that was just announced, but it is said to be affordable and powerful enough with some really good software features to at least challenge what Apple has done with its Vision Pro. This is made in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm, so it's probably Samsung's best shot at competing against Apple's Vision Pro. Other than Vision Pro, Samsung is gearing up to finally launch its Galaxy G Fold, which is said to be Samsung's first ever tri-folding phone. And surprisingly, it's actually going to be released officially in the US and even more markets, not just South Korea, so it's way more of a global release than initially expected. Now, Galaxy G Fold is going to be a one expensive phone, probably going to cost close to $3,000. It will be one of Samsung's craziest, most powerful products ever. Like when it's fully folded, it's going to have like a 10-inch display. And then depending on how you fold, you're going to get a 6.5-inch display. Some sources are expecting this to rock Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the chip that we're also going to see inside the S26 Ultra. So it's going to be really, really powerful. I can't wait to see this in action. Of course, all the animations that Samsung is planning for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.